Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Dialogflow API. This gives you the environment to build. Create a service account and grant Dialogflow and storage roles so authentication and exports work. Once done, choose ES for simple bots or CX for flows, pick the region and create an agent. You should draft 1020 core intents and map the key entities now, because defining scope early reduces rework and keeps testing focused. Now design intents with varied training phrases and set matching thresholds. This improves recognition accuracy. Map entities to parameters, mark required ones and author prompt messages so Dialogflow asks for missing info. Then implement webhook fulfillment. Deploy a cloud function or cloud run service that receives JSON, performs business logic, and returns fulfillment messages or follow-up events. Make sure to test with the simulator and log request/response payload. Finish by integrating your agent into a channel. Use the web demo for quick checks or configure Messenger/API for production. Deploy a version or snapshot and set up environments like staging and prod so changes are safe. Monitor logs and metrics. Use structured logging and version control to roll back if needed. If things break, first verify webhook auth and timeouts, then inspect entity conflicts and intent overlap. Those fixes resolve most classification and fulfill.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.